So this morning, I had all the intentions of getting up and going for a run. Thinking about it all week, but also on top of that, today there's a couple things that I want to make. I want to try to make for the first time. But sometimes I have these ideas of things that I want to do, and then not thinking about how long it's going to take to actually do these things, and then create these unrealistic expectations for the day. Then I always fall short. So for me to get up and run this morning didn't make sense because I wanted to start the first thing that's on my list. I got some tomatoes from a coworker from work from his garden. So yesterday I decided to make some marinara sauce because the day before that I tried to make these pizza rolls. So after I had the pizza rolls, I'm like, some marinara sauce would be fire with this, right? So I made the marinara sauce last night, and after it was finished, I'm like, we should make a pizza. So we're making a pizza now. I need more cheese because, like I said, I don't do cheese, and what I bought to make the pizza rolls, the pepperoni rolls, it's kind of like running low. So I'm on the way to pick up some more cheese to do this thing. I find myself, I guess this is a common thing that we think about, Keith. It's like, I know there was supposed to be a point to it all, but what is that point to it all, you know? When I say the point, like I understand we get up, we go to work, pay taxes, we do all these things, but why? Like, what's the end goal, you know? I guess you could set an end goal for yourself, but why? Why choose that end goal? What's the point of it all? I think more and more about observe and see the people around me, and I'm just like, I don't want that for me. What's the ladder outside of it all? When I figure it out though, definitely let you know. Or maybe when you're watching this 20 years from now, 10 years from now, you'll look back and say, damn, Keith, you didn't know what you were doing then, but I'm glad you stuck to it and kept going. You know? Glad we kept asking questions and asking why until we came to an answer that was fit for us, you know? If you don't do things outside of the everyday, life starts to feel mundane. It just starts to feel like you're just cog in the machine, you know? I think that's the phrase, a cog in the machine. I be trying to shake it up. I really be trying to shake it up. Because why not? And if you don't, you just do the same thing every day. Get up, go to work. You put the left hand under the left sleeve, and then the right hand on the right sleeve, and then the left foot on the left pants foot, then the right foot on the right pants foot, and then you go to work, and then you do it again. I don't know about y'all, but I be getting tired of food. I don't know what it is, but I just be tired of food. I really don't even want to eat, because I don't want to eat that shit. I just don't. I'm tired of the same food over and over again. I don't want it. But then also, I don't want to do takeout. I don't. Multiple reasons. It's expensive for one, and two, it's expensive and the quality sucks. It's like if you're gonna be this expensive, at least be really good. No, we ordered from some seafood place the other day, and the quantity was horrendous, and then the quality was also horrendous. I don't know. I'm gonna figure this shit the fuck out though. I am. Might not be today, might not be tomorrow, shit, it might not be next year. But eventually, at some point. Alright, so we get this mozzarella. Nope. I've been to the grocery store like 3 times this week. When I do this month's expenses, I'm like, ooh, you're outside the grocery budget, G. You're outside the grocery budget. Definitely 3 trips. I don't think it was expensive, these 3 trips. They do add up there, right?
There was 4 today, and there was 4 going in on 9.
Cheese. Probably the middle over there. Ele grab us french fries, dale get that pan.
Oh no, you're better. You're better.
Good morning.
Hello, sir. Have a great day.
You as well, thank you. Making some pizza. Yo, everything is literally easy to make. You just gotta have a little bit of time and patience to make it. So I got some tomatoes, literally made some marinara sauce yesterday. It's literally tomatoes and seasoning, and you just put the tomatoes in a pot and let it simmer until most of the water evaporate. Marinara sauce. Well, I bet. Got marinara sauce. Let's make a pizza. I looked up how to make a pizza. All it is the dough. You set some yeast in water. Okay, I got both of those things. Then flour, salt, olive oil. That's it. And then you mix the two. You let it proof for an hour and a half, and then you have pizza dough. Like, holy shit, it's so simple to make. So simple to make. So right now I'm waiting for my yeast to do its thing. I forgot to set my timer, so we're gonna just wait till that's fully mature, I guess. Or what's the word what they call it? I forgot what they call it. It's chicken. Nice or something. With a big knife. Opinion. So flour, salt, olive oil, you let it proof. Flying over what? Flying the gun. Oh, the pin roller? Yeah, I have one of those. I did not set for you to be the judge.
House pizza. It's good, bro. This shit crack.